If you don't like pasta, this recipe is going to change your mind. Hey foodies! In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this delicious chicken stir-fry tomato pasta. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. In a pan, I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm going to add my onions and allow to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Next, I'm going to add my tomato puree. I'm going to fry this tomato puree until that sharp taste is gone, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I'm just going to add my blended pepper mix. If you want to know how I made this blended pepper mix, just leave me a comment in the comment section and I will film a video explaining how to make a perfect blended pepper mix. Now I'm just going to add my seasoning, my salt and my Italian herb, also known as Italian seasoning. If you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed, what have I done to you? Please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and also share to your family and friends. Thank you. Next, I'm just going to cover and allow to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. After 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding my chicken stock. You can add chicken broth if you want, or you can just skip this process, but I like to build up flavor, so I added a bit of chicken stock. Now I'm just going to cover and allow to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Next, I'm going to season my chicken thigh. This is a boneless chicken thigh. I'm going to season with some salt, paprika, ginger, some garlic, and chicken seasoning. Next, I'm just going to add some olive oil into the chicken. I'm going to mix everything together, making sure that the spice and the chicken are evenly combined together. And then I'm going to cook it in my air fryer for about 15 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. While my chicken is cooking, I'm going to put about 500 grams of pasta into a boiling salted water. I'm going to cook for about 8 minutes. Always follow the packaging instructions when cooking your pasta. While the pasta is cooking, let's quickly make our stir fry. In a pan, I added 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I added my onions and allowed to saute for a minute. Next, I add my bell peppers. I'm going to stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat, and then I added some salt just to give it taste. After 3 minutes, I added my chicken. Remember the chicken that I was cooking in the air fryer? Yes, I've diced them into smaller chunks. Then I added it to the stir fry. I'm going to stir fry for 1 or 2 minutes and then I'll take it off the heat. Back to our tomato sauce, guys. The tomato sauce is ready. You can tell when the oil starts to flow on top of your tomato sauce. Now I'm just going to add some pasta into the tomato sauce. Guys, by this time everywhere was scenting. The aroma was killing everybody in the house. I'm just going to combine everything together and allow it to mix properly. Next, I added my pasta water. Guys, this is the star of the dish. Make sure you don't throw away all the pasta water. Make sure to always keep some and add it into your pasta. Next, I'm going to add my stir fry into the pasta. I'm going to mix everything together and allow to simmer for just 2 minutes, and I will turn off the heat and serve. In no time, this pasta was gone because it was delicious. It was very rich. It is saucy. As you can see, it's not dry. Oh my god, this was delicious. Let me know when you try this recipe, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.